I was really surprised that this group of guys would come together like it did from all different walks of life and get together for a common goal to beat each other's ass on the track. It's great. It's gotten really popular, actually. These guys love it. And once you come and do it, you're hooked.
My name's Zach. They call me the Loner. Cart's fresh built, so it doesn't have a name yet. They haven't dubbed it anything. First time out was last night for about 15 minutes. Had issues, broke stuff. I fixed everything this morning about an hour ago before I got here.
Dude, where is everybody else that had? Where's like power tools at?
My friend Steve introduced me to Mike, told me, we got this great cheap way for you to come and have fun. I got a buddy of mine that's got a track in his backyard and you just need to come out and check it out. Came out, met Mike, and Mike made a deal with me that if I ended up getting all the carts running with him, that he would loan me a cart. So we put it together, and the next day they started calling me the Loner because I was on borrowed cart and borrowed stuff, raced and had a good time with everybody, and now I've built my own cart. Now it's the first time out with that, so we're trying that out.
20-year-old tires, brand new engine. But yeah, here it is. My name is Chad from Elwood, Indiana. They call me Bubba. The cart is a tomato wagon because we can a lot of tomatoes in Elwood, Indiana. I raced BMX bicycles back in the late 70s and early 80s. And the best I ever got in the state of Indiana was number 33 out of everybody. That's always been my number, was 33. Now this cart I've got here hasn't been raced since 2004. And it's been in my dad's shop sitting there. I'm competitive. I know I'll be competitive, without a doubt.
I just bought this one. Hi, I'm Chris, better known as Newt. I'm from Elwood, Indiana. This is my cart, Lonesome Dove. And the chassis is actually a Lynn. There's only been 12 of them made. This is number 11 out of 12. I've been so excited to come here since I bought the cart 2.5 weeks ago, and I can't eat, I can't sleep. I just keep thinking about coming here and getting this thing around the track. It's been one heck of a stress reliever for me. I've been able to work on it and just keep my mind on this cart and do something different than what I've been doing. My wife, she's got real bad epilepsy, so I've been a stay-home caregiver. She's been awfully sick, so this is a good time for me to get out and have some fun. Something for us to do besides nothing. I'm here to have some fun. I'm not here to be competitive. I'm just here to go around in circles, y'all. Bubba got me started in it. He used to race 20 years ago, and he really got me going and really excited about doing it. That's all I want to do is whoop him. If I whoop my brother, then that'll make me happy.
I was freaking the fuck out.
Tony has never
It
yelled.
jumped the fuck, it took off.
I'm Tony from Hammond, Indiana, known as T-Dirt, cart number 418. I'm here to drink beer and not finish last. I work with one of Mike's best friends, and he told me about this every day at work, so I'm like, well, I gotta get in on this. It sounds like too much fun to miss out on, so here I am. We're actually a fairly well-knit little community here of total fucking strangers. But we all have common interests and stuff, you know. I mean, we all come out here to get away from work and everything, drink some beers, play with some toys that are fairly inexpensive.
You figured out how to use that thing, Tony?
Nope, but I'm putting it on there so it looks cool.
You got your wife over here to be in charge of that shit? My ass and my big titties ain't fitting in your little toy cart. She can fit in mine.
Everything's tunable on these things. You can move the axles around, you can move the tires in and out for grip. You can raise the axle up and down. Front ends are all fully adjustable. You can change the caster, the camber, in and out with the tire, up and down. Cross weight can change. Tires are a big thing, you know, try to keep them clean, keep the rubber nice.
Grew up racing dirt bikes, did some BMX racing and race autocross. So this was just kind of another step to be racing, and I like that it's small. It's just us and people that we know, and it's a cool, laid-back group of guys. And Mike, he gave me a bunch of parts for this thing to put together, and he donated parts to it, and a bunch of other guys donated parts to it just to help me get out and build it as cheap as possible. If you need a hand with something, so they'll help you, and just a good time with a bunch of good guys.
Lots of water! Get it wet, buddy!
Water is a big issue. You got to keep the track wet. That's where you get your grip from. The perfect amount of moisture in the dirt. I use dish soap actually it's a surfactant. It'll break up the surface tension of the water so that it can absorb into the dirt easier and keeps it wet longer. Bottle it on, put it in there. I do a lot of reading about trying to find grip. And I saw that the BMX and RC car forums that they have talked about using sugar and it would improve grip. So I figured why not try it with these, you know? It kind of binds the dirt together and makes it like concrete, makes it hard, you know, and then it's got a little bit of traction. It's my own concoction. Today we did 50 pounds of sugar and 14 2-liters of pop. I'm like a hillbilly chemist. Top her off with a little water, some swamp water. That's the recipe. Can everybody count to 3? We're gonna draw bottle caps for qualifying position. That means that's your turn by the draw. You pull up to the transponder. I make sure you work and then I'll wave you on. You do 2 more laps. That first lap is around, you do 2. 2-time laps, your best time. You fuck it up, that's on you, not me. Go! Yeah! Now when you see the guy come in for his last lap, you're the next guy in line, you go. Let's get this done quick. $14.75.
Qualifying times are fast, huh? You got a 14.65, huh?
This is a shit track. This is a shit track.
Nice job. Nice job getting a 6.5 on that. I just ran it and made sure I didn't fuck it up.
Oh, he just slowed up right there. He's hitting all kinds of dirt. All right, you're out. What do you end up with? 1564. Oh shit, here goes Bubba. What is he? Well, let's see what his shit says.
All right, there's the order. At one time, I like to have 15 carts is pretty good on the track. It's a pretty big track, so I mean, to make it look good, 15, 16 carts is pretty good. And it gets pretty rowdy. Everybody's been talking about wanting to go to faster motors, you know, and I don't like that part because when something breaks and you have to order it, you know, get parts, then you're waiting, you know, and they're not gonna show up. You know, this is easy. We've got motors. You know, I got 5 of them sitting there, so.
Hot off the fucking trailer. You know what? You don't even need your transponder because we already qualified. We'll change it after. That's called right out the trailer to the track.
We ain't got no ratchets or nothing. I know I got a power ratchet. Fuck.
I come out every chance I can. I have project carts at the house that I'm working on, so it has become like, we'll call it a hobby.
This bottom piece should pop off of here.
You got one here still?
When I'm not at work, it's what I spend most of my free time doing. The old lady gets pissed I'm in the garage so much and whatnot, but it's cheaper than a lot of other hobbies I've had before.
Did you at least get a fast lap?
I didn't even get a qualifying lap, dude. I'm starting in the fucking back. Look at that shit.
I guess you got some work to do. What'd you do, hit a rock?
Look how bent that son of a bitch is, dude. Like, put it up against a straight line. Like,
cover, everything. I mean, it was bad.
Yeah.
Got a gear though? Is it the same gear?
This is good. This right here, that's slightly fucked.
All right, we're doing 10 laps. 10 laps for the first heat, 15 for the second, 20 for the feature.
It's competitive, I guess. The spirit of the people is competitive. Once we kind of helped each other get to the speed that we're at now, we all work together. We told no secrets, you know, just here. What are you doing? What are you running for gas? You know, what are you doing to change? Why are you going so fast? What'd you do? You know, air pressure and all that. Now it's starting to get a little tight-lipped. You know, before it was all open. Now everybody's starting to be quiet because it's getting tight now, you know, it's getting fast.
Do not pass before the start line.
Do not pass before the start line.
Do not pass before the starting line.
Wait, do what? I'm in a back, dude. What the fuck am I gonna do?
We've seen what you do.
Whatever you want, buddy. Yeah.
Victory for me is to drive it onto the track, complete the races, and then drive it off the track and load it up in one piece. That will be a victory for me.
I don't want Bowen to win, because fuck Bowen. I definitely don't want Mike to win, because fuck him too, you know? I don't want to finish last, and I just want to finish running.
Hauling ass, buddy. Hauling fucking ass.
Get the fuck out of my way, slowpoke! Your ass got lapped! We fucking rolled them all. Dude, Steve-O, get the fuck out of my way. Ronnie Mac, get the fuck out of my way. Dude, I was with you for a while. I was with you for a while, and dude,
My clutch is making all kinds of noise.
good. Leave it. Yeah.
You'll be all right once you get rolling, but don't run off on it.
Oh no!
Around me to piss me off. I say no way his big ass getting around me.
I think I passed 3 or 4. I don't know who all I passed, but it's all right.
It worked that time, but next time I'm getting him.
I'm just glad the thing ran the whole time.
Where'd you end up? Who got who, what?
I got behind Chad.
What?
All right.
I don't have.
What happened, dude?
I'm driving too aggressive.
He actually, since he's a little half sober, he can actually fucking drive his cart. Like Ronnie said, your carts don't come in until fucking about now.
Started getting the last 2 laps. It started getting
You're fourth, I was fifth.
Yeah, it sounds like your clutch is jumped.
You just can't stop, dude.
I didn't push starting me and I was pulling it. I couldn't get it.
It's because it's good. It binds up in the
Yeah, okay, you're right.
I just found this thing.
Herc Rentals was kind enough to let us have a couple light plants that we could borrow. We set them up the best we could to get the lighting right, you know, and keep it down. Because dirt works best at night. So we're really excited about the lights.
It's come a very long way since I've started here, like in the spring. I mean, like, look around. There's actual lights, you know, like the timing system is fairly reliable. It's like, it's starting to be like a real racetrack. We need some grandstands, like a beer vendor and a hot dog cart, and we're good to go.
come off the carts. Everybody's excited. It's that last bit of adrenaline pushing, you know, you're getting off the track and telling all their stories, who did what. And everybody's got a story from the front to the back of the field.
What happened to you? Oh, we were right behind.
Whether they spun out, whether they won, whether they were battling for last place, doesn't matter. Everybody's really happy. Even if you're mad, you're happy. Whether you win or lose, that doesn't really matter. It's just being with your friends and, you know, competing.
I hope that footage came out good. When me and you split T-Dirt, it was great. Like, you went down, we literally split them and came back together. Like, it was badass. It was a good run.